Gold is currently in a controlled bullish structure with a short-term pullback. If you see that there is a continuous bullish trend with intraday volatility, okay, the price is trading around $4755.450. If you see that we have seen there is a weakness in USD during pullbacks and ongoing uncertainty around interest rate direction, as well as safe haven demand is still intact. Okay, because of the war we have seen, and because of the ceasefire, that the price is still in this particular range, but we have not seen that it has made a sharp upside as well as fall. Institutionals are not aggressively selling yet, they are accumulating on dips. See, the price is currently trading around $47.55. If you see a 15 minutes chart, in this video I will be explaining you 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, 4 hours chart, and then daily chart, as well as I will tell you how the geopolitics can affect the price of gold in on next 2 days. On the next 2 days. See, now this is a 15 minutes chart where you have seen there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall. Okay, this is the first pattern you see. Second pattern is this particular pattern, and then there is a downfall. Now we have to focus on this particular pattern because the price is trading in this particular level. Okay, and the price is currently trading around $47.55. If the price keeps sustaining this level and goes above a level of 47.60, this is a weak level, so the price will cross that level and goes above $47.61, which is also weak. So the price will sustain above this level, and a further upside can be seen towards 47.70. From there, a level of 47.77 can be seen, and then a further upside will be there. This trend will support an upside and chances of going towards 47.92, and a probability of crossing 48.01 will be there, and then further upside with this is a weak level. But if it keep falling below this level, we can see it can come down again towards 47.52, and this is opposite U pattern is there. So if the price keep falling below this level, we will see it we can touch a level of 47.43, and then it can go below 47.29, and the pattern support downside, so chances are it will come in this particular zone. Okay, this is a 15 minutes chart, so you have to understand that because of the weakness in USD during these pullbacks. But if we see on a 2 hour chart, where you will understand more clearly how the price is moving. Okay, because during the ceasefire we have not seen that the price has made a sharp downfall, but we have seen rather it has moved upside, touching a high of around 48.58, and then it is moving in this zone. Okay, now if you see the price is trading in this particular manner. Okay, as well as if you see there is a continuous upside movement we have seen. This is what you can see on the 2 hours chart. But if you see a longer view is that there is an opposite U pattern has formed. After that there is a upside. Okay, because we have seen from the March of 26, that is 23rd March, we have seen the prices continuously moving upside. Okay, and if we see from this perspective, we have seen the prices trying to go upside, but as soon as the price started falling below 4600, there is a higher chances the price will fall further low. This is opposite U pattern, and chances will be high it will cross this particular level, and chances of crossing a level of 4300 will also be there if the price didn't goes above this level. The price is already above this level, so we can see that yes, there is a probability of upside movement. Before I explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at this particular pattern, this pattern is already fulfilled. Now this particular pattern is not completed, so probability is high if it keep moving above a level of 47.33, a further high can be seen, and a probability of crossing 47.96 is high, because if it keep moving upside, chance of going towards 47.67 is there, and from there it will cross a level of 47.79, and then it will move above a level of $48.04, which is a weak level, and from there it will grow above that level, and probability of going towards 48.17, and from there it will cross above a level of $48.58. Then a further upside can be seen. There will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will move out. You have to understand that if the price keep moving up 47.33, trail your SL by around $10 to $15. The price is already of this level supporting this trend, so chances of crossing 48.04 is on a very high scale. Okay, because this level will we have seen in the March of 26. So chances will be high the price will go above that level and a further upside can be seen. Okay, because we have seen higher and high as well as lower and lower, higher lows. Okay, resistance acting as near recent highs and breakout zone above recent high or strong bullish continuation we have seen. Okay, now but if the price keeps falling below this level and goes below a level of 47.33, which is a weak level, we will see it will come down and touch a level of 47.06, and then it will move into zone. So probability of further fall can be seen towards 46.50 to a level of 46.32, and then it will fall below 46.05. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall can be seen. Now coming back on a day wise chart, what you can see, if you look at the day wise chart, we have seen the prices trading around 47.58 as of now. This is very important you to understand how the price will move on Monday. The price is trading around 47.58 and today's chart is a red candle chart. It is trying to go upside. Okay, but on a weekly it is very important you to understand all the three candles are green, making higher and higher. So probability is high. The fourth candle can also be green. So remember that if the price sustain above today's high of around 47.78, a further upside can be seen and a probability is high it will cross a level of $47.99, which is a weak level. A further upside can be seen towards a level of $48.64. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will cross $48.68. From there we can see it will go towards further upside towards 48.68, and from there a further high can be seen towards 49.54. Understand, chances of going further upside is very high if the price keep moving over $48.38, because $48.38 a bounce back can be seen. But if the price didn't bounce back from that level, a further upside can be seen towards 49,000 and then 4900, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 5000. Remember, there is a higher chances of further upside if the price keep sustaining over $47.95, because a pattern will show upside and chances of going towards 48.64 is very high, but this pattern will support. Now understand, once the price keep moving above a level of 47.99, a further high can be seen towards 48.60, and then a further high can be seen further upside. Okay, so trailing your SL by around $10 to $15 is if the price keep moving off this level. But suppose if the price started coming down, understand market is always uncertain, and if you see this particular trend, we have seen it is trying to go in this particular manner. Okay, so we can see it can touch at somewhere at this point of 5000 and then it can come down again, or if it crosses then a further upside can be seen. Suppose if the price started coming down, it can come down towards a level of $47.30, which is support 1, and if the price fall below this level after 47.30, we can see that the next level is around 46.92, which is already a weak level. The price will fall further down and it will go directly towards next level, which is very close to it, around 46.01. okay, which is support 3. Remember, from this level a bounce back can become, but if the price didn't bounce back, it will fall further down towards 45.58, and from there we can see the price will move towards $45.32, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen towards 44.80, and once the price fall below this level, chance of going towards 43.77 is very high, and from there it will move below 43.56, then to a level of 4300. okay, and once the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen. So trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement or even upside if the price sustain above a level of around 48.05. But if it keep moving below 4600, a further downfall is on a very high scale, because there will be a trend break as well as a further fall can be seen towards 45.55, then to a level of 45.34, then it can move towards a level of around 4500 to a level of 44.34, and then a further fall can also be seen below this level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, and understand there will be support and resistance. I've already explained you. Overall trend is bullish trend till the time the price is sustaining over 4600. There is still an institutional demand zone and not confirmed reversal structure. Okay, remain buys on the dip, what we have seen during this particular time, and as well as we have seen weekly chart showing 3 red candle, the green candles. And if you want a deep analysis or any query, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video. Thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.